From a company that has been making some of the luxury world's best timepieces for over 150 years comes this men's Chopard L.U.C. Jose Carrera, a gently pre-owned luxury watch. It is also extremely rare as only 1,000 were created. The stainless steel case measures 40.5 millimeters wide without the crown. The skeleton window and back allows a view of the inner workings, while the aftermarket black leather strap uses an adjustable stainless steel tang clasp and will fit a wrist up to 8.25 inches, making sure that this charming and astonishing timepiece stays firm on the wrist. An automatic movement powers the silver-tone dial with a textured center and musical notation surrounding it, honoring this watch's opera singer namesake. Subsidiary seconds can be found at 6 o'clock with a date window below, and the steel-toned hands point to Roman numerals for hour markers. "300 watches. Infinite possibilities."